it's Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks so much for joining me today. Can you believe it's June 1st and the first of the month we always show our new subscriptions for the month. So I'd like to show you a closer look at the Pink and Maine subscriptions for June 2024. Let's take a look. We have 4 subscriptions and I'm going to start with our popular foil subscription. This month you're going to get a full roll of our ombre lakeside. So this is blue, teal, yellow, a little bit of green. As the blue and the yellow mix together, they create that greenish tone in there, and a little bit of silver also. I'm loving these ombre colors. They look great on anything that you foil with them. So this is ombre lakeside. And if you subscribe to our foil subscription, you will be the first one to get the ombre lakeside. It will be released later in the month with our regular release. Along with the ombre lakeside foil, you're going to get a package of our foilable panels, and we're giving you some more colored ones this month. So you can use your negative foil pieces. If you're not sure what I mean by negative foil pieces, head over to our YouTube channel and find some of my videos where I do foiling, and I show you lots of ways to use the negative foil pieces on colored toner sheets. So these foilable panels are called Beachy Colors. So we've got this beautiful blue ombre. It looks like the depths of the ocean. You get this light blue down into this deep, deep blue here. This one here just kind of looks like the beach. We've got like a sandy color, and then we've got the blue here. Here is a gorgeous teal ombre. So we got really deep here coming up to light teal. And this one reminds me of a beautiful sunset on the beach, or anywhere really. We've got beautiful orange into lighter yellow tones, and then down into this beautiful purple at the bottom. So this is our Beachy Colors foilable panels, and this comes in the foil subscription this month. But that's not all. You also get a package of foilable sheets. This is our Beachy Backgrounds foilable sheets. So you're going to get 8 different foilable backgrounds, one of each, and they all have like a nice summer beachy theme. So here we have a school of fish. Isn't that fun? We have some nice solid shells. This one could be waves. It also looks a little bit like seaweed, just a really pretty abstract pattern there. Here we have some seahorses. Look at these waves. These are stormy waves. So much fun though. Makes a great background. Here we have more of a simple linear wave pattern. We have some anchors. Wouldn't be tropical or beachy without some flamingos. And we're back to our fish. I can't wait to create with some of these foilable sheets, the Lakeside Ombre foil, and those Beachy Colors background panels. That's all included in the foil subscription, which is $21.99 a month. You get free shipping within the US. Our next subscription is the Stamp of the Month and the Stamp and Die of the Month. So if you subscribe to the Stamp of the Month, you're going to get a 4x6 stamp set delivered to your door each month. If you subscribe to the Stamp and Die of the Month, you're also going to get the coordinating dies. I am waiting on some of our products to arrive. So I have printed out everything for you to see here in the video, but my actual products, I apologize, I am waiting for them to arrive. We're running behind this month, but everything will be ready for you when the time comes to ship them out. So this is our Stamp of the Month this month. It's called Favorite Flavor. The sentiment said, if you were ice cream, you would be my favorite flavor. It has these adorable little critters. Look at the little bear I colored like mint chocolate chip or pistachio. You can put them on either little cone. We got like a little waffle cone and a sugar cone. And you can stack them too. Like you could put the little rabbit on top of the little pig on top of the bear. Or we have a couple down here that are already stacked and they have whipped cream or chocolate syrup on them. And we have a cherry, a strawberry, and some sprinkles you could stamp on them. This is a super cute set. Perfect for those summer cards when you want something that's just kind of cool and fun. Our stamp of the month is only $12 for the stamp. The stamp and die is only $24. Those are both shipped for free within the US. It's a great value. Let's take a look at the Crafty Courtyard kit. So this is our 4th subscription. This is our Crafty Courtyard kit, our card kit subscription. Each month you do get a nice large mesh zippered bag. These are really sturdy. Lots of uses for these. In your kit, you're going to get a list that tells you what's included. Along with the color palette, I've added some extra colors here just to show some of our cardstock colors that you could use. Down here we have information where you can join our Facebook group and share your creations. We'd love to see what you're making, and so does everyone else. Our June Crafty Courtyard kit is themed Ocean Life. I can tell you right now, I packed this kit probably too full. Don't tell the accountants because we've got a lot of goodies in here. I think I broke the budget. But you don't mind though, right? The theme is Ocean Life. On the back of the flyer, I also give you some card sketches, just kind of a starting place to jumpstart your creativity when you open your kit. All right, first up, we have some brand new sticky gems. Now these are called Galaxy sticky gems. They're clear, but they have like a iridescent or aurora borealis look to them, really sparkly and shiny. I think they'll look great with these ocean and water themed projects that you can create with this kit. And look at all of the gems you get on this sheet. This is quite a large sheet of gems here. Super pretty. You also get a pack of sequins. Look at these pretty, I'm going to call this one sea glass. It just has the light blues and greens, a little bit of tan in here, just really pretty shiny sequins. You're also going to get a full 6x6 pad of paper. We've got 24 sheets. There's 24 different patterns here, so you get 2 of each because they're double-sided. So we'll go through some of these. We've got some gorgeous underwater scenes with the fish. Look at the waves there. We've got some under the water with bubbles. Let's see. Then we've got like fish scales. Here's some more coral with some fish. Oh, I love these papers. And here's just a nice little orange pattern there. Look how pretty this looks. Just different coral and things you might see at the bottom of the ocean. Then we've got some blue waves. Some fish, a little school of fish. And then a sheet of bubbles in the nice teal. And then we have underwater with a teal color. I love that. And here's some orange kind of fish scales look. Here's some starfish on green. And on the back is tone-on-tone orange with some coral and some fish and some shells. Here's some more coral, seaweed, fish on a light background. And then we have a green pattern here with some circles. Here's some more fish in different color tones. I'm loving these patterns. And here's some bubbles on more of a blue background. We had teal before. Here's some more of those starfish, this time with a bright yellow background. And here's a green tone on tone with shells and coral and some fish. And here's that fishy background. Now this one is more of a deeper blue, whereas the other one had a little bit more of a teal tone to it. And here we have some blue waves. And here is another one of those just underwater beautiful patterns. And then some teal and blue waves. These are some great papers. I just know you can create lots of fun cards with these. As I mentioned, I'm just going to have images to show you, but rest assured you will get everything that I'm showing you in actual product form. So we have a sentiment stamp set. We've got lots of great sentiments on here. We have Make-A-Wish jellyfish. Thanks a ton. Let's get deep. No fin compares to you. Like no fin compares to you. Thanks for all your kelp. Have a jelly good birthday. Sending hugs and squishes. Have a jawsome birthday. Sending big love. You're incredible. Thank you from the depths of my heart. Sending you an ocean of thanks. I'm a sucker for you. You blow me away. You occupy my heart. And then we've got have a whaley. Happy birthday. Let's celebrate. Get well soon. You whaled it. You're great. These are some awesome sentiments for all of your ocean and underwater themed cards that you're going to create with this kit. These are not printed to scale either. They're a little bit smaller than what they're going to come, but you're going to get the ocean animals dies. So these are dies, and you get a shark, a turtle, an octopus, a little seahorse, a lobster, a dolphin, a jellyfish, a sea ray, and a big whale. So you're going to get all the dies you need to create these adorable ocean animals. So fun. Not only that, I just had to give you some scenery pieces so that you can build your ocean scenes. You've got this nice seaweed coral dies. So these are called the coral reef dies. You're going to get 2 dies that will create like the bottom of the ocean. So you can dye 2 separate colors of cardstock or just one to create like a rocky or uneven bottom of the ocean. And then you've got some rocks and stones here. We've got coral and seaweed of all kinds. And you can create some great ocean scenes with these to go along with your ocean animals. So this is another large die set. You're getting 2 large die sets in this kit. But that's not all. I'm also giving you the Light Rays 6x6 embossing folder. So this embossing folder will allow you to create those light rays in the background of your ocean theme. So you know how the sun and the light kind of goes down through the ocean and you get these rays of light? This creates a fun background for your ocean cards. But that's not all, we're still going. You're also going to get one of our large stencils. It will come in 3 pieces. So this will also help you to create your ocean or underwater scenes. We've got the bottom of the ocean here, so you'll get 2 pieces. You can use those separately or together. This part of the stencil has like the bubbles that go up in the water. So fun. We've got small fish, and we've got different fish here, different groupings. We've got some rocks, some starfish, little shell shapes that you can put here and there. And then the top here almost looks like grass, or you could use it for seaweed or whatever you like when you're creating your underwater scene. So fun. So this is not to scale either. This is one of our large stencils that goes in our binder. Okay, so let's take a look at the cardstock you get in the kit. You're going to get 2 of our ice rink white cardstock. You're going to get 4 sheets of our 100-pound colored cardstock. We've got On the Green, green, a middle school blue, school bus yellow, Riverwalk, teal or turquoise, and then we're giving you this specialty sheet of cardstock, which is a beautiful foiled cardstock in this pretty teal blue color. Thanks so much again for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed taking a closer look at the Pink and Main subscription products for June 2024. We've got lots of great beachy, summer, tropical themed items for you to create with this month. And I hope if you're a subscriber, you're looking forward to receiving these in your mailbox. If not, it's a great month to subscribe. You can head on over to pinkandmain.com to find out more and to subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.